If you are searching a best brush cutter for your garden or something else, then you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to review my own brush cutter, which is very useful for my garden. Also, I'm using this one from 1 month, and it's giving me the amazing type of results. Okay, and if you want to use this one, I'm going to give the link also in the video description. Okay, so you can check that link to buy this brush cutter. So this is also an amazing brush cutter, and using this brush cutter you can cut your all the grass from your farm, or you can clean your all the weeds in your gardens. It's one of the amazing type of the brush cutter. Okay, so using this brush cutter you can save your time and you can save your money also. It is very portable, it have only 10 kg, and you can use this one using the petrol. Okay, so it's one of the amazing type of brush cutter. So if you want to know about this brush cutter, just you have to watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, now you can see here, this is a brush cutter. Okay, so this is one of the amazing type of brush cutter. So now I'm going to use this one. So this is the back. So from here, now you can see here I can use different kind of tools. Now you can see here. Okay, this is for the firing plug, and there is a maybe Allen key also. Now you can see here there is two sizes Allen key. Okay, and please bring the camera here. And now you can see here you can start this one from here. Okay, and from here you can use the gasoline. Okay, from here, and this is the choke. From here you can turn on and turn up the oil, and this is the this is for the firing plug, and this is the whole package. Okay, and from here now you can see here. Now you can see here in the side here is a switch. Okay, so this is the switch and this is the accelerator. First of all you have to press this one, and you can press this one to move this one, and bring this one, and this is the cutter. Okay, so using this cutter you can cut this one, and you can change this one as per your requirement. So I'm going to show you how can you use this one. Okay. Hoping that you get few ideas about this brush cutter, and if you have still any kind of confusion on this video, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to make another new video on this topic. Okay, so if you get a few knowledge, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. And please give me a comment. It will give me some extra knowledge and extra things to make more quality contents on this YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you.